Encountering the iOS 18 update paused error? Don't worry, I've got the solutions to help you complete the update successfully. Let's dive into why this happens and how to fix it. Part 1. Why is my iOS 18 update paused? Here are common reasons why the iOS 18 update might pause. Weak Wi-Fi connection, not enough storage space, corrupted update files, iOS firmware issues, overloaded Apple servers. Part 2. How to fix iOS 18 update paused issue. 10 effective ways. Solution 1. Restart iPhone. Hold the power or side button until the slider appears. Slide to turn off. To restart, hold the power or side button for 30 seconds. Solution 2. Check your network connection. Ensure a stable Wi-Fi or data connection for the iOS 18 update. Wi-Fi is best due to the large file size. Solution 3. Reset network settings. Go to Settings, General Transfer, or Reset iPhone. Reset network settings. Enter your passcode if needed. Solution 4. Free storage space. Go to Settings, General iPhone Storage. View app storage and remove unused apps or transfer files to iCloud if needed. Solution 5. Charge iPhone. If the update is paused, check your battery. Plug in your iPhone if it's below 50%. Then retry the update. Solution 6. Reset all settings. 1. Open the Settings app and go to General. 2. Scroll down and select Transfer or Reset iPhone. 3. Tap Reset. Then choose Reset all settings. 4. Confirm your choice when prompted. Solution 7. Disable the VPN connection. Go to Settings, General VPN and Device Management. Tap VPN and delete or disable active connections. Re-enable if needed. Solution 8. Turn off content and privacy restriction. Open the Settings app and tap Screen Time. Select Content and Privacy Restrictions. If prompted, enter your passcode to turn off content and privacy restrictions. Solution 9. Delete beta software or incomplete updates. Go to Settings, General iPhone Storage Software Update. Tap Delete Update. Then go back to Software Update to retry the iOS 18 update. Solution 10. Wait for Apple server problem solved. Part 3. iOS 18 update still paused? Try iOS system recovery to solve. If the issue persists, consider downgrading to iOS 17 or using the iOS system recovery tool to fix iOS 18 update problems. It repairs over 200 issues and preserves your data. Step 1. Install iOS system recovery on your Mac or Windows computer. Connect your iPhone to the computer using a compatible USB cable. Then launch the application. On your iPhone, tap Trust to establish the connection with the software. Step 2. Choose the iOS system recovery mode to address issues such as iOS update errors and disabled devices. Select either Standard or Advanced mode depending on whether you want to keep or erase your data. Step 3. View the device details on the next screen. Click the Download button to obtain the necessary firmware for your device. Once the download is complete, click Next to proceed. Step 4. The program will download the required firmware package, which may take a few minutes. After the download is finished, click the Repair button to start the repair process. iOS system recovery will handle the upgrade. Once the process is complete, restart your device to update to iOS 18.